Power cycling your Spectrum router is a simple yet effective way to resolve common connectivity issues like slow speeds or dropped connections. First, unplug the router's power cord from the wall outlet, not just from the back of the device. This ensures a complete power disconnection. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. This waiting period allows the capacitors to fully discharge, clearing any cached data or temporary faults. Finally, plug the power cord back into the wall outlet and wait for the router to power back on. Watch for the LED lights to stabilize, which usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Avoid pressing the reset button unless absolutely necessary, as this will restore the router to its factory settings, erasing any custom configurations. This process effectively reboots the hardware and firmware, resolving potential IP address conflicts or buffer overflows that may be causing your internet problems. According to expert opinions from CNET and PCMag, power cycling is a low-risk, high-reward fix for many home router problems. Before power cycling, check the Spectrum app or website for any reported outages in your area, which might be the root cause of your issue. During the power cycling process, make sure your router is not overheating, as indicated by unusual heat. If overheating is a regular occurrence, consider getting a new router. Use a surge protector to safeguard the router from potential power surges when plugging it back in. Avoid power cycling the router during firmware updates to prevent corrupting the installation. If the LED lights don't return to normal after power cycling, contact Spectrum support for further assistance. According to a 2024 J.D. Power survey, power cycling resolves 75% of router-related issues for Spectrum users without needing to escalate to technical support. Also, keep in mind the trend towards self-managing routers with AI-driven diagnostics, as seen in Spectrum's integration of Wi-Fi 6/7 technology, reducing reliance on manual power cycling in newer models.